Good afternoon, my name is Tina Leon and I'm going to talk about my internship presentation that is called Execution of the Linguistic Ability in the Area of Purchase and Sale of the company Agrenaco CA located in Barcelona and Suárez. Description of the company. Agrenaco is a company dedicated to the distribution, wholesale and retail of plastic products, such as glasses, anime trays, plastic bag, pet containers, office material, cafeteria material, cleaning products, utensils, industrial and household toilet paper line, hydration products such as mineral water or sodas, as well as food products. Geographical location. Agrenaco is located in the Miranda Avenue, located in Barrio Sucre, in the second block, in a White House, number 210, in Barcelona and Suárez. Organizational structure of Agrenaco CA. In the organizational structure of the company, in the first level we have an executive director, then we have a general management, and after that we have four departments. The first one is human resource department. It has a human resource coordinator. Then we have the second one, that is sales department. It has a sales management and a sales team. The third one is administration department. It has an accountant and administrator. The accountant has an assistant accountant and the administrator has an administrative assistant. The last one is warehouse. Warehouse has a warehouse coordinator and he has warehouse workers, and coordinator of distribution, and he has drivers and church hand. Then we have sales department structure. In the sales department we have a sales management and he has two advisors, the sales advisor 1 and the sales advisor 2. Identification of need problem. Agrenaco is a company distributing mass consumption products that over the year has been required mainly by companies and contractors linked to the oil industry, as well as coffee shops, restaurants, and other related distributors. Since the opening of the physical store, the company has made itself known obtaining as a result the wide variety of customers, within which the aforementioned and mainly the oil contractors with foreign personnel stand out. For this reason, the company needs a trained team in the English language to the effective attention of customers, so the sales can be carried out satisfactorily. Objective. General objective. The general objective is to execute the linguistic skill in the area of purchase and sale of the company Agrenaco CA located in Barcelona and Suárez. Then we have the specific objective. The first one is to know the products offered by the company, as well as learn how to handle the basic options of the system used in the sales area. The second one is to research and learn the vocabulary necessary to put into practice the language skill required by the company. And the last one is successful conclude purchase and sale negotiations applying the linguistic skills. Activities plan. The internship had a duration of 8 weeks. In the first week, the activity was joined to the company. In the second week was inducement to the system of the company. In the third week was to make a physical inventory. In the fourth week was attention to foreign and native customers. In the week number 5 was customer service. In the week number 6 was make another physical inventory. In the week number 7 was visit to customer routes, and in the week number 8 was customer service. Detailed activities. In the first number 1, the activity was join to the company. It allows to know all the facilities of the company, the work team, and familiarization with the sales department. In the second week, the activity was an endorsement to the company system. Between this endorsement, the intern was training on the billing model of the system, on the warehouse model, on the sales model, and on the purchase model. It allows to obtain the knowledge about the system of the company. In the third week, the activity was execution of a physical inventory. It allows to familiarize a little with the products of the company. In the week number 4, the activity was attention to native and foreign customers. During this week, the achievement was develop the language skill and close satisfactory sales. In the week number 5, the activity was customer service. It allows the development of the language and listening skills, and satisfactory sales were concluded. In the week number 6, the activity was to make another physical inventory, and it allows to familiarize a little more with the products of the company. In the week number 7, the activity was visit to customer routes. It allowed in the achievement that this week allowed was attracting new customers thanks to the successful sales routes. And in the last week, the activity was customer service, and it allowed successful sales conclusions, and skill development in writing English was achieved. Linking the internship to occupational profile. Throughout the execution of the internship process in Agrinaco CA were obtained satisfactory results thanks to the different subjects that are in the academic pensum. In the first subject that helped during the internship process, we have linguistics. The use of this subject is during the execution of the internship is of great importance, despite not being used in its entirety because the contact with the client was mainly in Spanish. Then we have English 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The knowledge acquired during the different levels of this subject were incorporated into activities in a 90%, both since grammar and vocabulary. Then we have skill and verbal abilities. Due to the fact that the communication with the client was in person by 80%, it was developed in its entirety, since it is vital at the time to achieve a successful attention with the client. And the last one is interpersonal communication. It was to great importance because 90% of the activities concern to communication with different departments. Theoretical and practical knowledge acquired during the internship. Executing the internship in Agrinaco CA allow to acquire new knowledge such as billing process, purchase request, customer service, how to handle an administrative system, how to make a physical inventory, and how to differentiate plastic and chemical materials. All these skills that the intern learned during the internship process will be useful for new jobs. Demonstration. In this presentation, we can see the storefront, me in the sales area, and the exhibition of the product and office of the company. Conclusions. English language represents a great opportunity to expand areas in which to develop. To obtain as a prerequirement to obtain the title, it's necessary to carry out the internship process. It not only allows the development and practice the language, it also allows the acquire of new knowledge. This acquisition represents the first objective, that is to know the products offered by the company, as well as to learn how to handle basic options of the system cells used on the sales area. To know all them from the knowledge acquired during this process, mainly in the part of the products, being the plastic the most outstanding. Research was generated on the vocabulary that was unknown and needed to put into practice the language skill required by the company. Once that the research was generated, it was time to translate and put into a list the vocabulary studied and practiced every day, which allow successful negotiation of purchase and sell, applying linguistic abilities. And recommendations to the IUTSO. Improve the communication channels between the students and the tutors, because sometimes it's difficult and prolonged to waiting for an answer of some questions that the student may present. And recommendations to the company: have enough staff in the sales area and train staff with basic skills to work in the English language. Thank you.